Welcome. Thanks for joining. We're so glad you're here. I'm so glad you're here in your home, staying put. By way of introduction, I'm Gretchen Sword. I'm a yoga teacher here in New York City. I'm coming to you from my home studio. And I thought I would share one alternative way of pursuing mindfulness, not necessarily meditation, but just mindfulness that you could do at your home. If you have a plant, like maybe a big plant or a small plant, a little tiny plant, any kind of plant would work. It might also work if you have a dog. I'm not sure about a cat, a very lazy cat. And we're just gonna use the process of cleaning the plant's leaves, or if you have a docile dog, a brush or just a stroking of the dog to help our brains achieve a pattern of mindfulness that is helpful. And so just a pattern of watching as the thoughts come in, and then the focus goes back to the leaves. So grab a rag or two, some warm water. You certainly don't need this much, but I just brought it for demonstration purposes. Come to sit near your plant, who you are so lucky to have during this time. Plants can provide us some oxygen for sure, but also something to look at and watch grow. Mine is having a growth spurt and it lost a leaf, so we're kind of, those terrible years of growing and losing. We're all familiar with that. And then just pick a place that you want to start. Try to remember it, but you'll remember it because it will look different actually. And then support the leaf that you're cleaning, and just with your wet rag, clean the leaf. It is actually helpful to the plant to get all the dust off. They can take in more light this way. And you can take this time to both connect with your plant and just start to breathe deeper into your body. Taking a deep breath in and a deep breath out. So if you lose one, swaha, it's a process of letting go, but it is telling you something. For my plant, it's just been moved too many times recently. I've been moving it around as I've been waiting for the spring season, and these plants don't like to move around. You can see so much of what the plant has been through by looking at its leaves. My plant has clearly had a fungus before it got to me. That's what the holes in its leaves are. That's what the discoloration is. And then you can see in some of the new leaves that it's been happier more recently down here. But I need to keep it happy in the sun. So just taking your time. begin to wander, try as best as you can to just come back to the practice of breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. It's said that when you're taking care of something, really anything, another person, an animal, plant, it's so beneficial to you, the caregiver. In fact, it might be more beneficial to you than it is to them. And of course, that's not why we volunteer our time or energy, but we do it for the practice of it. The practice of taking care of another living being. I knew that one was going to come off. Didn't look healthy. We learn about ourselves through the process of that. What's so amazing about teachers is that they just keep growing. Teachers, they keep giving back to students. And do it as a lifelong practice. Sure that you get the top and the bottom leaves. Bottom leaves are the oldest, of course. Been with the plant the longest. The ones on the top are the newest. The babies. This one had a tough time this winter. Don't worry, everybody. Spring is here. For a fiddly fig, if that happens to be the plant that you're cleaning, don't worry about its stems. Its stems are actually where it forms new growth. So just let those be. And some of your plants, depending how big their leaves are, you may need to wash the back of their leaves. And just see it as a wonderful opportunity to take care of this plant that's taking care of you. Breathing in and breathing out. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Namaste.